Hey! Do you know what's going on? Yes! Colors! They are missing! I need to solve the mystery. Detective Green is on duty. Do you want to join my team and get back all the colors?
Yes!
Excellent! Together we can do it faster. Oh, I can smell something. Something very sweet. It's there! Let's go! It's a paper plane with a note inside. I stole all the colors. You will never live in a colorful world ever again. Mwahaha! No way! We are going to save this world, right, my fellow detective? There's a very sweet scent in the air. I think the color stealer left a clue. Can you find the source of the smell? Look! Our first clue. This is a strawberry. The strawberry is red. Repeat after me. Red, red, red. Look! All the strawberries are red. Good job! We need to keep looking. Whoa! Isn't it hot in here? It is because of the sun. This is the sun. The sun is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Excellent! Yay! We colored one more part. Let's look for another clue. I think we can find it next to the sun. The sun, the sun. Oh, maybe it has something to do with the sky. Yes, the sky. This is the sky. The sky is blue. Blue, blue, blue. Amazing! Almost everything becomes colored. One more clue left. Think. Grass. Yes, grass. This is grass. Grass is green. Green, green, green. Amazing! Wow! The colors are finally back. We can see red, yellow, blue, green. Red, yellow, blue, green. We ruined the evil plan and brought back the colors to the world. High five, buddy. You are a real detective. After such a tiring job, all we need is a fun game, right? Yes! Let's start. Good day and welcome to our colorful game show. I'm pretty sure everyone knows me, but let me still introduce myself. I'm your host, the one, the only, Happy Joe. Not only am I good looking, smart and confident, I love brain teasers. So buckle up, grab some drinks and get ready. Here comes the colors.
Wow!
We need to name them. No, it's not as easy as you think it is. We need to name the color the word is written in.
Green!
Are you ready?
Yes!
The first word is blue. Wait. The correct answer is red. Yes, red. What color is it? Don't rush. Remember, you have to name the color of the word. Let's say it in 3, 2, 1. green. Did you say yellow? Why yellow? Ah, you are right. It's yellow. Let's move right on. What color is it? Yellow again? Oh my. Okay, I'll be silent. I'm sure you know the correct answer. Green? Amazing! It's green. This is the last one. You know the correct answer, right?
Yes!
Okay, let's say it in 3, 2, 1. Blue! Haha, yes! You did it! I bet you got all 4 answers. Congrats, my friend! Wow! You did great! Give me a high five! No, not just a high five, give me a high 10! Follow us so we can play more fun games together. See you again. Goodbye!